Okay, so let me show you how you can accept payments from mostly anywhere in the world with this integration. All right, so the integration is called Flutterwave. You must have heard of it, but in this video I'll be showing you how to integrate it from scratch. So without wasting much time, just go to the website. I'll drop the link in the description of this video, and you want to click on create a free account. So to get started, you have to fill in some informations. We have the country, just select your country, and we have the account type. So just select base. I'll be selecting business account and click on continue. If you already have an account, you can just log in. So you have to fill up these details: your name, your email address. If you have your business registered with CAC, you can just select this. And if you don't, just go ahead and select no. All right. So select your registration type. Is it a sole proprietorship or limited company? And then you want to input your password and agree to the terms and condition and click on create account. So let's just do that quickly. Okay, so this is it, and you want to click on, yeah, so you need to copy this code and click on confirm email. So that is it, and your account have been set up, but the account is on test mode. So to activate it to live mode, you actually have to fill up some details. Let's click on activate your account, and you will have to fill up some details like a government ID card. You can use your driver license, national ID card, the NIN slip, international passport, and so on. You have to upload a proof of your residential address. That's, you can use your electricity bill, water bill, and any recognized institution that actually displays your um, residential address. Okay, so you have to upload other details like your BVN, your account number, and so on and so forth. So once you are able to do that, your account will be activated to live mode. So I already have a Flutterwave account. I'm just going to log in to my Flutterwave account. So welcome to the Flutterwave dashboard, and our account is live already. So to create your payment link, just scroll down and click on payments, and you can see payment link. So just click on it. You can actually receive payment for different options, but I want to create a payment link for this video. So just scroll and you can see new payment link. So just click on it, and you can select the type of payment link you want to create. Is it for a single charge, or you want to create a link for a subscription plan? You can just click on this. Or to receive donations for your NGOs and so on, you can use this option here. So I'll be using this single charge here, and I'll click on create payment link. So just give your payment link a name, and I'll just say ISM Digitals. And okay, so let's just use this for now. And if it's a fixed amount, you want to input the amount. But if it's not a fixed amount, let's say you want to receive payments for different products, you can just leave this option here blank. All right, so depending on what you want to receive payment for, if it's a fixed amount, just make sure you input the amounts here. Okay, so um, we have this option here to upload an image. Okay, so let me just add my image here. Okay, so once you upload your image, and it's optional actually, you can decide not to upload one. Okay, so once you upload your image, you can just click on create link, and boom, the link has been created. This is it, and you can just click here to copy the links and send it to the person that wants to make payment to you or the platforms that you want to receive payment from. You can also integrate this payment link to your website button and receive payments even without your interference. My name is Isaac Matz. I hope you learned something today. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.